Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at adjectives. First of all, have a look at this sentence. I've never played mahjong before. I'm a beginner. I've never played mahjong before. I'm a beginner. Lovely sentence, looks good, sounds good, but how can you make it more interesting, more attractive, more emotional? You need to change the adjective a little. You can make it more emphatic. You can make it stronger. Listen to this. I've never played mahjong before. I'm a complete beginner. I've never played mahjong before. I'm a complete beginner. The word complete makes it much stronger, much more emotional, much more interesting, much more attractive. I've never played mahjong before. I'm a complete beginner. Have a look at this sentence. The meeting was a waste of time. Again, lovely sentence, it makes sense, but it's not interesting enough. It's not emotional enough. You go to a business meeting, nothing gets settled, nothing is organized, so it's a waste of time being there. So how can you make that sentence a little more emotional, a little more emphatic? You use an emphatic adjective. Have a look at the new sentence. The meeting was an absolute waste of time. The meeting was an absolute waste of time. That sentence sounds much more interesting, much more attractive, much more emotional. There's feeling. Use an emphatic adjective to emphasize. One more. The story you told was nonsense. The story you told was nonsense. Again, a lovely sentence, grammatically perfect, but it isn't very emotional. There's no feeling to the sentence. How can you make it more emphatic? You need to use an intensifying adjective. For example, look at this new version. The story you told was utter nonsense. The story you told was utter nonsense. Now it's much more emotional, much more attractive to read and listen to, gives much more feeling. So, in your speaking and writing, try to use emphasizing adjectives to add more emotion to your story. English grammar, emphasizing adjectives, most of the time, they're easy peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.